Good morning students. Today we study revision chapter 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. And already we revised these chapters in chapter 1, then numbers, chapter 2 addition, chapter 4 multiplication, chapter 5 division and chapter 6 fraction. Then you know the write in words first. First question, write in words. Write in words. Then according to place value, ones, tens, 100,000, you read 3,000, 3,740, 740. Then second question, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Then first you write the 7. 7 after how many digit? 3 digit. You put a 30 plus 3. 3 after how many digit? 2 digit. You put a 20. Then 4. 4 after how many digit? 1 digit. You put a 10. Then 5. This is write in expanded form. Third question, write in figure. Write in figure. Write in figure. Question 6,000. 6,500. 85. 85. In this question, you read the highest place value 6,000. You write ones, tens, 100,000. Okay. Then you write 6,000. You write here 6. Then 500. Then you write 5. Then 85. 85. Understand the next question number 4. Write in short form. Write in short form. Write in short form. Write in short form. First you write 7,000, then 303, then 8, then 2. This is write in short form. Next question. Write the place value of each digit. Place value of each digit. Write the place value of each digit. Question. Then this way you write. Then 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Then 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Then 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Then 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. Understand this? What is the question? Write the place value of each digit. Next, write the face value. Write the face value of each digit. Write the face value of each digit. Then this type you write. Here 7, here 6, here 5, here 9. Or the face value of 7 is 7. This type also you write. The face value of 6 is 6. Then the face value of 5 is 5. Then the face value of 9 is 9. This way you write or this way you write. Next, to form the smallest and greatest 4-digit number using form the smallest and greatest 4-digit number using these digits 2, 1, 4. Okay, then you write smallest number is equal to, first you take the smallest digit is 0. You don't take 0 in first. You take 1 in first, then 0, then 2, then 4. Don't put comma. Then greatest number. First you write 4, then 2, then 1, then 0. Don't put a comma here also. Understand you? Next, write the predecessor. Write the predecessor. Predecessor of. Predecessor means just before. We get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. We get a predecessor. Predecessor means just before. We get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. Then 340. What is the predecessor of 340? You subtract 1 minus 1 is equal to 339. here you write it this way, then minus 1, then 9, then 3, then 3. Understand you? We get a predecessor, predecessor means just before we get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. Then write the successor of, write the successor of. Successor means just after. Just after. Successor means just after. Then 499. We get a successor, we add 1 to the given number. We get a successor, we add 1 to the given number. That is 1 plus is equal to 500. This way you write 499 plus 1. Understand this? Write the Roman numerals. Write the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Then 14. Write the Roman numerals. 14 X I V. Then 28 X X V Y I. Understand? Next, write the Hindu Arabic. Write the Hindu Arabic. Write the Hindu Arabic. First 10, 20, 30, 33. Then you read 40, 45. Understand this? Then this is the Hindu Arabic numeral. Then next, add the following. Add the following. 43 plus 1 is equal to 44. 47 plus 0 is equal to 47. Understand this? You add this 478 plus 313. First you arrange this number. 478 plus 313. Then add this number. Then 8 plus 3, 11, carrying 1, 8, 9, then 7. What is our answer? 791. Then next, find the product or multiply this number. Find the product or multiply. Then 13 into 0 is equal to 0. 13 0 ja 0. Then 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Then 14 into 10 is equal to, we multiply by 10. We put first you write, multiply this two number. 14 1 ja 14. Then you, how many 0 left here? 1 0 you put here. Then 37 into 8. Then you multiply this. 37 into 8. Then 8 7 ja 56. then 6, then 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 5, 29. Then answer is, first you multiply this, 296. Okay, then find the quotient. Find the quotient. (18) divided by 18 is equal to, the table of 18, how many times come here? 18 1 ja 18. How many times come? 1 times. Then 18 divided by 0 is equal to, this is not possible, then we write 0. Okay. Then 373 divided by 3. 373 divided by 3. First you divide this number. 373 divided by 3. The table of 3, how many times gone? 1 times, then 3, then 0, 7 come in downside, how many times? 2 times, then 6, then 1, then 3 also come in downside. Now our number is 13. How many times? 4 times, 12, then 1. Our quotient is equal to 124. Our remainder is equal to 1. Understand you? Division also you understand? Then now we discuss about in previous class in chapter 6 fraction. These are the revision chapters. So these chapters come in essay 1 examination. Chapter 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. You practice these chapters, then any doubt you ask me. Okay, thank you.